It is 11/13 Friday, 3:31. So we've been doing this DALLASREAL thing for a couple of weeks now. And you know, we produce shows every day of the week, and we produce stuff that we're passionate about. I do it, and my brother CJ, we both came up with this weird idea about how to explore the new age of technology. Now, you know, I love creating videos and I love recording stuff. I was always like that since I was a young kid. Since, you know, it's good, it's awesome, you know, producing stuff every day of the week. But it just feels like it's getting, you know, we gotta expand. We gotta do something great, something funny, something like that we can explore. So we got this. Oh my God, this is next level. So this is the Karma drone from GoPro, and it comes with this 4K 12 megapixel waterproof GoPro camera with a stabilizer, and the drone and this bag. This is next level. Since this is here now, we got to expand what DALLASREAL is all about. So I have decided that we're gonna start out with a daily vlog and see just where it goes, man. You know, this is the breakout of the new age media, and I just want to be part of it. I think you should too. So from now on and onwards, we will express and play with this and see where this goes. So this summer, this is gonna be really next level. Imagine this on the lake, on the boat. Enjoy it.